For his wife Ines, after give birth, she can't eat properly, so he invented a very thin pasta for her and added two ingredients, very fresh butter and Parmesan cheese. She not only fell in love, but also advised Alfredo to include it as a dish in the restaurant. But the real fortune of this pasta comes later in the 1920s, when a couple of very famous actors from Hollywood, Douglas Fairbanks and Mary Pickford, being in Rome in their honeymoon, come here in this restaurant and taste this plate. They love it so much, so when they come back home, told all their friends from Hollywood to come here and taste it. So this is a very thin pasta. Then we cook this fettuccine for only 20 seconds. Then we add butter, the butter from Alps, and Parmesan cheese aged 24 months. So how our tradition is,